Guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford, and we like to give everybody a good option. So here you've got salt or pepper. We've got two 2018 F450 Limiteds. One's black, one's white. They're both for sale. Both of these trucks MSRP for about $90,000. They're gorgeous. If you follow our YouTube channel, you've seen me do a thorough walkthrough. That video's doing really well. But we just wanted to take a quick other video, let you know we've got two more. They're here and for sale. I'm not going to go into huge detail about what they've got. I'll actually put a link in this video to show you my walk around video. For the home with no dealer fees and dock fees. If you know anybody looking, feel free to give us a shout. I'll put my 1-800 number where you can get in touch with me directly. These trucks do not get any nicer. Power deployable running boards. Gorgeous interior. The interiors are the exact same. The trucks are the exact same except the color. This white truck is $595 more than the black truck because the white paint with the metallic fleck is an added option. We're at our brand new dealership right off I-65 on exit 6. Give us a call if you got any questions. We'd love to have y'all's business. Check out our Google reviews. They speak for themselves. Thanks, and y'all have a great Saturday.